we're excited about now with our new designs, and we have very extensive know-how and advice from an expert from Japan who unfortunately is no more with us, but spent a lifetime in granulation to point us the nuances and fine details which allows us. So today's granules, for instance, which we get from the mixer behind me, is not only are we doing the process even quicker, but the results are reproducible. The results, the end point, which is the holy grail, is immediately and readily measured. The quality of granules when examined under a scanning electron microscope proved to be much more spherical. They proved to be, the strength is very good. And the best part is, for immediate release applications, we're able to create porous granule so that when you compress it into the tablet, you get a very good drug release profile. Okay? But you got to see the attention to detail, even the stairway. And thanks to the Japanese emphasis on safety, everybody is aware that a straight rod can cause slipping even when your foot slips. They ensure that the rungs are curved so that you're always holding on to something. Of course, we may discover new things as we go along, but we always create designs which are upgradable. So when one buys a Gansons High-Shear Mixer, it's not only for today, it's a solution going into the future.